be a part of this global celebration, which aims to highlight the importance of hydrography and raise awareness about its contribution for promoting a prosperous and sustainable planet through improved knowledge of the seas and oceans. This year's theme, Seabed Mapping, Enabling Ocean Action, is very timely and appropriate in its true sense. Seabed mapping is not merely about charting depths and contours. It is about understanding our ocean, their features, ecosystem, and untapped potentials. It is the fundamental step towards responsible ocean governance, sustainable development, disaster risk reduction, and informed climate action. For Bangladesh, a country with vast and dynamic maritime domain, seabed mapping holds strategic and economic significance. To unlock blue economy potentials, a comprehensive seabed mapping is of paramount importance. It enables the discovery of maritime resources, supports fisheries management, strengthens maritime infrastructure, and protects marine diversity. The Bay of Bengal forms the foundation of our economic prosperity, acting as a lifeblood that sustains our nation. Bangladesh Navy plays a pivotal role in guarding this bay, ensuring our safety from all kinds of threats from sea, both during peace and conflict. Our trained and skilled hydrographers selflessly contribute to this mission by conducting comprehensive hydrographic and oceanographic surveys for ensuring safe navigation. Moreover, the valuable data collected by the hydrographers are also crucial for planning and implementing sustainable blue economy projects for our national development. Today, BN hydrographers produce national and international paper and electronic charts that serve as guiding lights for both Bangladeshi and international mariners navigating our waters and the vast maritime domain. A testament to our remarkable journey is the prestigious accreditation of BN Hydrography School to conduct the IHO certified category B hydrography course, as we have heard. Recently, the chairman of National Hydrography Committee, Admiral Musa, was attending the IHO conference in Monaco, as he mentioned, and there we have received the promise that Bangladesh will also be accredited to conduct the hydrography category A course, which is a good news and which will transform us into a leader in hydrography education worldwide. Not many countries are certified to do this course, conduct this course. I think it is less than 20 as a whole. So this is a good achievement if we can get the final approval from IHO. Dear audience, we have strengthened our hydrographic capabilities with purpose-built survey vessels, cutting-edge technology, and advanced sensors. And as the chairman BIWTA mentioned, the beginning was with the support of BIWTA, but ever since Bangladesh Navy has become independent in its capacity to carry out hydrographic survey out at sea. Additionally, we are continuing with the acquisition process of new hydrographic vessel. You must have heard in the recent visit of the Honorable Chief Advisor, he has been briefed about the acquisition process of ex-HMS Enterprise, an oceanographic hydrographic research vessel from UK, and hopefully in shortest possible time we will be able to complete the regeneration of the ship and then complete the acquisition process. This will add strength not only to BN Hydrography Department, but as I mentioned in the seminar a couple of years back conducted by Maritime University, that the researchers, the students, the faculty members, and the scientists of body, they will all be able to avail the ship to carry out their research and their educational tours out at sea. So this will be good news for the maritime community as a whole. As we set our focus on the horizon towards a developed nation, the importance of collaboration between all maritime stakeholders cannot be overstated. Through the collective effort of all stakeholders and working in unison, we can unlock the full potential of our maritime domain. Seamless hydrographic coverage of our vast maritime areas is a must in this endeavor. It paves the way for sustainable use of our marine resources and in every facet that fuels our economic engine. Here I would like to mention that the Honorable Chief Advisor has instructed me and a couple other government officials to explore the potential of deep sea fishing in Bangladesh waters and also setting up fish processing industry, most likely to be in Matarbari under the Chittagong Port Authority still now. And in coming years, Matarbari is likely, as the Honorable Advisor will know, likely to become an independent port and independent authority will run it. So hopefully with the formation of a high-level committee that has already been formed under the Chief Advisor's office, they are working on it and they are working on finding the potentials of deep sea fishing for Bangladesh and fish processing industry to be established in the coastal belt. I hope this will add a new dimension in our maritime industry. Economy, we can leverage each entity's expertise and resources by fostering strong partnerships among Bangladesh Navy, Ministry of Shipping, BIWTA, Ministry of Fisheries, Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources, and research institutes and all other private sector stakeholders. This unified effort will enable us to tackle the challenges and hydrographic and oceanographic survey, data analysis, and chart production more efficiently. The keynote speaker have mentioned about the importance of the ocean and especially for us the importance of Bay of Bengal. I have just attended last week the 3rd UN Ocean Conference in France, where we talked about on the sidelines organized by the French Navy the importance of ocean and the impact it has on climate change, and the importance of conducting operations by the security forces like Navy and Coast Guard in the ocean, and also the implication of climate change on our operations. The main conference was of course attended by Additional Secretary Commodore Mahmoudul Hassan, who led the Bangladesh team. The important thing or the message that the UN Ocean Conference gives us is the importance of the ocean as a whole for the world's prosperity and for the shared prosperity of the world's population, not only for today but also for our future generation. So let us all work together and strengthen the efforts of the government in prospering our nations with the help of the sea. And in this regard, the hydrographers have played a vital role in the past. So I thank on this occasion all the hydrographers, both current and former, for their contribution, and I hope that in the future days your important contribution will continue towards national prosperity. Finally, I would like to once again thank the Honorable Advisor, Minister of Shipping, for his gracious presence. Sir, your presence has certainly inspired all of us and on the members of the maritime community. I thank all the invited guests for your gracious presence. I hope that the takeaways of the seminar that will be held for the rest of the day will guide us to chart a course towards sustainable development. I thank all those personnel who are involved, the Commander Dhaka Naval Area, the Director Hydrography from Navy and BIWTA, and all your officers and men and women for your contribution in organizing this event flawlessly. And I also thank the business entities who have come forward to display their products in our display booth today. I think it will also give us some ideas of what capacity we have achieved in the private sector. And once again, I thank the Chairman BIWTA for becoming co-host of today's event. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Allah Hafiz.